Hi there guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine. Don't even ask me where Jay is. He's meant to be here today, heading out to Maya Bay. It's the very last day of his favorite bay, closing and shutting, and I'm going to even prove to you he's not here because I've got my daughter Sanwa, and I'm going to film this for you, Kyle, here filming for me. So I don't know, the video doesn't work, the audio is off, I don't know any of this technical stuff. Jay's meant to do it all and he's not even here. And he's meant to be going to the bay to show you what it's like last day on the bay. He was going to walk onto the bay, he was going to do his normal shots in the water and everything, and he didn't do any of it. I don't know where he is. I don't know, maybe it's the end of Jay on our YouTube channel. I don't have any idea at all. But what I can say to you is that it's not the end of Maya Bay, because Maya Bay will reopen. So let's get into the news and the facts of Maya Bay. So today is July 31st. It's the last day that you can go on to Maya Bay. August 1st, it's closed. So if you go to Phi Phi, you can visit Phi Phi Don, you can visit Phi Phi Lay, you can go to Philae Lagoon, Monkey Beach, Wong Long Bay, you can go snorkeling, you can go sightseeing, you go to the viewpoint, you can do all of that. The only one thing that you cannot do is you cannot walk on Maya Bay. In fact, you can go up to the line, and Kyle's going to show you a shot. You can go up to the line and you can take a photo there, one of the iconic Maya Bay photos. You can take that on the boat, but you just can't walk on the beach. So I want to be very, very clear. Phi Phi is open. Maya Bay itself, you cannot walk on. It is closed. That is closed from August 1st, and it will reopen first day, October 1st, and we're always there. We're always there last day, except for this year. I don't know what, honestly, I don't know what happened. Jay's meant to go. And then we're always there for the first day, October 1st. But I don't know, maybe Jay's not here, maybe we're not there. Who knows what's going to go on. I'm totally lost. I'm missing his presence here. He's not even here. I do have to say though, I have the wonderful Sunwire who's way better at all of this than Jay. So maybe we got someone new on the channel. So anyway, hello darling. Ah! So anyway, what we want to do is give the full rules. As I said, it's closed from August 1st to open again October 1st. Phi Phi itself is still open. You can still visit Phi Phi. We're still operating tours to Phi Phi. It's still very beautiful at Phi Phi. There is so much more for you to see at Phi Phi than Maya Bay, but you should know that you can only take a photo from the front line. And that's it, guys. I'm out of here. I'm going to go and call Jay, see if he picks up the phone. Who knows where he is.
So, I just got a little text from Sean. Apparently, he's very angry because I'm meant to be at the office doing some Maya Bay closing video. Well, we said 2 weeks ago that I would come down to Maya Bay and do my usual Maya Bay's closing video. So here I am at Maya Bay. I don't need your snotty little text. Thank you very much. Anyway, look, Maya Bay. It's closing for 2 months, but look at it now. Stunning, beautiful. Love this place. Not so much loving Sean right now, that's for sure. Anyway, all good. Woo woo. So you need to remember, Maya Bay is closing for 2 months. That's right. Today's the 31st of July. It shuts tomorrow and opens in 2 months. Got it? Good. Look at it. Love this place. It's better than being at the office, that's for sure. Isn't that right, Sean? Yes. Hello, Jay the Shark at Philae Lagoon. I've already been swimming, that's right. And all I've heard is Sean moaning and groaning that he's at the office and I'm not there. We talked about this 2 weeks ago. I would come down to Phi Phi and do some videos. And here I am, and I'm gonna go for another swim. That's right. Woohoo!
Woo woo.
So, I've just another text from Sean moaning and groaning that I'm not at the pier. Listen, we discussed this 2 weeks ago that I would come for the closing of Maya Bay, do my usual video. Brought Ashton with me, look, and he's jumping in. We're at Philae Lagoon. I've had my little swim. Ashton's having a swim. Stop sending me horrible texts, Sean. Get over it. Just do the video yourself. You'll be fine. I've got to go and enjoy myself. Thanks. It's nice here. Beautiful. I like Philae Lagoon. Here you go, Sean. See, I'm now at Viking Cave. Not at the office doing a video with you. And look, got a very atmospheric longtail boat going past at the same time. Now that's good filming, mate. There you go, Viking Cave. Me, Jay the Shark. Hello. Hello, longtail boat. Hey, Sean. So, you still at the office? Not me. I'm at Monkey Bay. That's right. Monkey over there, somewhere. Sure, I'll go and find some. Anyway, Monkey Bay. Me, not at the office. Look, monkey on a swing. Good, isn't it? I mean, he's not shy, is he? He's showing everything. Tell you what, mate, you're all right, son. Hey? Good lad. Thanks, monkey.
Hi, Sam. Just to let you know, I'm not in the office because I'm snorkeling at Hilo Lagoon. That's it. I'm snorkeling at Hilo Lagoon. Good, isn't it? Look. I'm snorkeling at Hilo Lagoon.
So, here's the thing. Do I want to be shooting a video with Sean at the office, or here at this beautiful island down at Phi Phi? Let me think about that for a minute. I think I know the answer. Cheers. Here you are.